Welcome to the Ruckus wireless installation video for the MediaFlex wireless system. In the next few minutes, we'll go through the installation procedure for this product. When we're done, in just minutes, we'll have enabled household-wide wireless distribution of IPTV content. The Ruckus MediaFlex system was specifically designed to allow you to enjoy both flicker-free TV and wireless internet access anywhere in your home without cumbersome wiring. With the Ruckus system, you can place TVs anywhere in your house, simply and easily without wires. The Ruckus router is designed to function as a full-fledged wireless router for the entire home, simultaneously communicating with all Ruckus adapters and other Wi-Fi-enabled devices such as laptops. The first thing you'll notice is that both devices, the router and the adapter, look the same from the front. But from the back you can see they're quite different. Either you will receive an adapter and router in a single box, or each router and adapter in its own box. The Ruckus MediaFlex router is easily identifiable by the multiple Ethernet ports. The Ruckus adapter can also be distinguished by its opaque colored dome and only one Ethernet port on the back. To ensure simple and easy installation that can literally be performed in minutes, the Ruckus router and adapter come pre-provisioned and pre-configured by your provider with all the requisite parameters such as SSIDs or data encryption. Users need to do nothing more than power on the units and plug them into the sending and receiving devices. In the event these systems require provisioning or enabling advanced settings, please consult the Ruckus User Manual or the simple auto-provisioning instructions included in the Quick Start Guide that is available from your provider. Provisioning refers to the process of synchronizing the configuration of the Ruckus router and adapter. If the devices have not been auto-provisioned by the operator, when you turn on the devices, you'll notice two flashing LEDs on the right. To auto-provision the devices, you'll need to consult your provider. The first step is to install the Ruckus MediaFlex router. Once unpackaged, place the Ruckus router near the broadband gateway supplied by your provider. Ideally, the Ruckus router should be located in a central area of the house, as high as possible and far away from metallic objects, water, mirrors, microwaves, 2.4 GHz cordless telephones, and other devices that might interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. When installing the Ruckus MediaFlex system, it's important to keep in mind the location of the various televisions in the home. If possible, place the Ruckus router and adapter to minimize the distance and eliminate potentially hazardous obstacles between the sending and receiving devices. Next, plug in the router and connect it to the broadband gateway using the standard Ethernet cable that is included. The Ethernet cable connects from the router's WAN port, the Ethernet port on the far right, to the Ethernet port on the broadband gateway, or a port that is labeled Video. Your broadband gateway or DSL modem might look different. In the event your provider requires two discrete Ethernet cables, one for data and another for video, a second Ethernet cable is optionally connected from the router's port number 4 to the Ethernet port on the broadband gateway that is specified for data. In such cases, the operator has pre-provisioned two network names to be used. One is dedicated to video delivery and not accessible to end users. The other is open, user-customizable, and designed for standard Internet access. Consult your provider for configuration details. Once plugged into the broadband gateway, ensure that the second LED from the left is on, indicating a connection on the WAN port. If you have connected a cable to port 4, look at the back of the unit and ensure that the LED for port 4 is green, indicating a connection. For the next 30 seconds, you'll observe the LEDs on the unit flashing as the router boots. In some cases, the provider will require a username and password to connect to its service. This is typically the case with PPPoE. In such cases, you'll need to obtain the username and password from your provider and enter it into the Ruckus web user interface. Consult your provider for more details. Now you're ready to connect your Ruckus adapters to each TV. Place the Ruckus MediaFlex adapter near the first TV. Plug it in and simply connect the unit to the set-top box supplied by your provider using a standard Ethernet cable. Your set-top box could be different from the one shown here, but should have an Ethernet connection on the back. Over the next several seconds, the Ruckus adapter will automatically associate with the Ruckus router. This is indicated by a green light on the third LED from the left. A good wireless link is indicated by a solid green light on the thumbs up LED. If the rightmost LED is flashing, try moving the adapter and/or the router in order to make the LED stay solid. A flashing thumbs up LED indicates a marginal connection. IPTV may work in this case, but will be more prone to problems. If you don't get a TV signal, try unplugging and replugging the broadband gateway and the set-top box. This should fix the problem. Finally, test the setup by turning on the TV and changing channels. Adding TVs in other areas of the home is also simple and performed in the exact same manner. Now you're ready to start enjoying wireless TV anywhere in your home. We hope you enjoy the Ruckus MediaFlex system and the location-free TV you'll now be able to view anytime, anywhere.